Good afternoon, everybody. It's NJTM Track Guy. Today is August 10th, 2013, and I am back at 432 Park Avenue for an update. Looks like it definitely got a lot taller since I was here last. Definitely a lot taller than it was. Alright, so here it is again, everybody. Yeah, it's definitely getting taller. I believe this tower is going to be 89, 90 stories. And this is going to be taller than One World Trade Center. Not taller than the antenna, but I would guess up to the second or third communications ring of One World Trade Center. That's how tall this is going to be. Looks good. It's making good progress. Been about a month and a half since I've been here. I was here late at night. Yeah, I think that was definitely over a month ago. Wow. Looks great. So yeah, it looks like this tower is going to have like a standard, just a standard square cube look, which is cool because it's going to be really tall. And when complete, it will add to the New York City skyline. More concrete and steel work is being done at the top. It's being poured into place. Hold on. Yep, here it is as of now. Again, August 10, 2013, 432 Park Avenue. Here's just another look for you. Looks like it's growing at a nice rate. It's going to be a very nice tower when it's done. Here are just some of the other buildings around in the area. Again, this is New York City. All right, I'm across the street. Here again is 432 Park Avenue. Looks like it's going to be a really nice looking building. As soon as it joins the skyline, it'll be great to look at. Steel and concrete work pouring is being done at the top currently. I would guess at a rate of 3 floors per week. That's just a wild guess though, I can't confirm that, but looks like that's the rate they're going at. 2 to 3 floors per week, concrete steel installation. This will be another marvel. There it is again. Again, it may be small right now, but as soon as this thing gains height and keeps growing, it's really going to look great when it joins all the other buildings. It's going to be a mixed-use building. All right, here's this new tower again, really taking shape. Here's a straight-on look. 432 Park Avenue. There it is again. There's that other building, 157. Looks like its glass is almost built in. This is the building from when we had Hurricane Sandy. The crane was damaged. But everything is moving smoothly. Alright, I'm back at 56th Street. Here it is again. This one will be great to watch rise up. It's got a long way to go, but it's going to be nice. Alright, everybody. So again, this is 432 Park Avenue. Alright, everybody. That's all the time I have for today, so I hope you've enjoyed this update on 432 Park Avenue. Be sure to rate, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this tower. Any questions to ask me, please be sure to ask them. I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. Again, this is going to be a beauty. When this is complete, it'll be a beauty. Once again, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.